Welcome, today in front of me VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So for example, now by double press or just by hold for a while the down volume button, we can activate the flashlight. And if you want to change this feature, for example, to use the camera app or just to scan QR codes or just more to use just the applications, we should go here to the settings application and then scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility, then tap here to quick action and switch flashlight, for example, to scan QR codes, to open the camera, open any from this app list. For example, let's use the open camera action, and now let's lock the device, and now just press the down volume button and we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. That's how to customize quick launch on our VIVO device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.